Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to draw realistic facial hair using graphite pencil. So here I use one of my old drawing featured Cristiano Ronaldo. Before we start the drawing, I want to tell you which art supplies I used for this type of realistic facial hair drawing. So you can see all of my graphite pencils. You can use any grade of graphite pencil as your requirement. In this sketch I use 2B, 4B and 6B pencil, and I also use my mechanical pencil for this kind of facial hair drawing. I need my pencil very sharp because our facial hairs are very thin. After that, for blending I use blending stump and cotton stick. If you do not have blending stump, you can use your fingers for blending, but I do not recommend you to use your fingers for blending. For sharp details, I use my Tombow nozzle eraser, electric eraser and kneaded eraser. So let's jump to the drawing. So here, for better watching experience, I zoom the sketch. So here you can see I using my 2B pencil for layering. Now I am using my blending stump for smooth skin tone. The footage is almost real time because if I speed up the drawing, you do not properly see the drawing. I will be using my mechanical pencil for facial hair. For darker skin tone, I use my 4B pencil and my blending stump for blending the area. I do not show you my reference photo because I do not want to tell you how you can draw only reference photos facial image. In this video I tell you all of my techniques of drawing facial hair, and at the last I use my 6B pencil for final skin tone for darker areas. I almost draw the smooth skin. For facial hair I need my pencil very sharp. In this case I use my mechanical pencil for sharp details. In the mustache area I use the same process. At first I layering and after that I blending. Now I just speed up the drawing. When you going to draw realistic facial hair, at first you have to draw realistic skin tone. I will make a video on realistic skin tone of my next tutorial. For realistic skin tone you need a lot of patience. It takes too much time for texture the skin. After that, when you start drawing facial hair, you will draw each hair individually and also maintain the direction of the stubble. When drawing stubble, two things is very important. First of is depth of the stubble, and second, vary the shade of stubble if it is not uniform. Here I use one of my mechanical pencil for outlining the mustache. Outline of mustache is very important because it gives you the shape of mustache. If you are a right hand artist, always start your drawing from the left side. Otherwise, you will smudge the drawing sheet. And also, always using a white paper under your drawing hand. I just speed up the drawing. When draw mustache on or facial hair, always try to drawing with small area. After completing one area, then work with other area. I use my Tombow monosil eraser for sharp details. You can use your electric eraser or kneaded eraser for this type of detailing. Every facial hairs are look different from another hair, so always follow your reference photo very concentratedly. Now it is the time for mustache. We are repeating the same process using digital media like phone, tablets or computer. For your reference photo, you should zoom the photo as you can see the all textures and hair individually. It helps you to draw more realistic sketch. This is almost real time. Now I going to draw the chin area facial hair. I do the same process for this area, but something different. Here I draw the lower portion of the lips. Under the lips, the skin tone is just darker cause of shadow. Here I do the same process of layering and blending with blending stump. Now you know I am talking about the same thing. I am using my mechanical pencil and Tombow monosil eraser for sharp details and for drawing the facial hair. But one thing to remember, in the lower side of the chin there are some hair. Don't forget to draw these hairs. It helps look realistic your drawing. Repeatedly I talk same thing and same process, so I do not talk anything. So let's enjoy the drawing. Thanks. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Anish Sarkar for more new videos.